I think there's a car accident. We're going to another road. There's a big accident, baby. We're stuck in traffic. There's a police in front of us. Sir, so what road are we gonna take? Video mo. Sir, we're gonna get. I wanna go to McDonald's.
You know, JJ, this next artist, one of my favorites. Not only is he an excellent performer, he's also now one of our great friends. A good friend of the morning show, and also Froggy flies around with him on his private plane. And we love having him up to the studio. He's pretty fun.
Heard all about that, so jealous. Enrique Iglesias killed it at Z100 Jingle Ball this year. Every single chick in the audience wanted to be all over him.
Me too. I mean, yeah. He paid us a visit here at the Z100 Morning Show Studios this year. We had a great time with him. That whole interview up and running now at Z100.com, keyword countdown.
Timberlake,
Said it before,
take a video. We're gonna ask the cops.
Number 96 with Tonight featuring Ludacris.
Not reloading, are we?
I don't know. Let me ask the cops.
Push that out.
Excuse me, sir. It's closed? Okay.
What road is that?
Accident there. Look at the snow. So thick.
Okay, my butt's wet.
Can I stop this?
You know which way to go home from here?